Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over observed the Indian Independence Day today as Black Day in protest against New Delhi's illegal occupation of their homeland. The Kashmiris across the world are staging anti-India demonstrations to draw world's attention towards the Indian brutalities in the occupied territory. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Kashmir chapter today staged a protest demonstration in front of the Indian High Commission in Islamabad on the occasion of Indian Independence Day. The protesters holding black flags were chanting, "Go India, go back, we want freedom from Indian illegal occupation." The speaker said the Kashmiris have been sacrificing their lives for freedom for the last 76 years and against Indian oppression. Communist Party of India Marxist leader M.Y. Tarigami has said that the Modi government is more serious about obliterating the history of occupied Jammu and Kashmir than addressing the issues like unemployment, healthcare and the price rise. According to Kashmir Media Service, referring to the removal of Sher from the name of Sher-e-Kashmir International Convention Center, Tarigami in a statement issued in Srinagar said New Delhi is making unnecessary attempts in occupied Kashmir. Shutdown is being observed in Manipur on the call of amalgam of the pro-liberation parties on the India's Independence Day today. An apex body of the 7 pro-liberation parties in the state gave a call to boycott the Indian Independence Day official celebrations. 2 Indian Jaguar Force policemen were killed in the disturbed state of Jharkhand. The policemen were killed in a gunfight with the guerrillas. Fire of extremism led by the Modi-led Indian government in India has started spreading its tentacles to all segments of the society, with the Communist Party of India leader in Jharkhand being the latest victim. CPI-ML district committee member Nandev Singh was beaten to death at Jalima village.